Meaning of friendliness.
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 Friendliness. Friendliness refers to the quality of being kind, warm, and sociable towards others. It is characterized by an attitude of goodwill, empathy, and cooperation. A friendly person is someone who is approachable, trustworthy, and supportive, and who values positive relationships with others. Friendliness can have a range of positive impacts on social interactions, including building trust, fostering mutual respect, and reducing conflicts. It is an important aspect of human behavior that helps promote interpersonal harmony and collective well-being in communities.